These are the elevators at some parking garage in Staten Island. They're Thyssenkrupp. Hydraulic. Alright, let's set this motor. Level's pretty good. Transfer on 1. So obviously you're gonna love this video. Here's the cab. The very basic Thyssenkrupp elevator. The orange floor is very strange. Send you up to 4. It's probably gonna cancel out. All-Star. Ooh, look at that. The button just flashed. Send you up. That one's on 3. That one doesn't light up. It's already here. See if this one's any better. This one's worse at the leveling. Wow, the buzz on this one's shot. Go to 1. We'll do a full ride on this one, and then I'll figure out where I'm supposed to go. Wow, the buzz sounds horrible on this one. It's like barely audible. Got Throgs' favorite buttons of all time. Inspection on this one. Alright. Traditional button. Okay. Had to do that. Yeah, there it goes, and that's it.